And a week after demonetization, devotees continue to flock to temples across the country and make their donations in denominations of the old 500 and 1000 rupee notes. Mumbai Siddhivinayak Temple has already stopped accepting these notes at cash counters, but they're still dropping them into donation boxes.
Devotees queuing up inside Mumbai Siddhivinayak Temple, ready to offer their prayers and donations. But while a majority of them would have reached for a 100 rupee note in their wallets just a week ago, the trend has now changed. The number of people offering donations in denominations of 500 and 1000 has increased this week, and so have online donations.
इस समय मुझे लगता है थोड़ा 500 और 1000 के नोट में बढ़ोतरी आई है। कैश करेंसी में जो बहुत कम आया था, लेकिन 2-3 दिन के बाद ऑनलाइन बढ़ गया और कैश कम हो गया, तो एवरेज जो है दिन का 1.25 लाख रुपए जो है वो एवरेज आज भी कायम है।
हम लोग बहुत एटीएम में जा चुके हैं, बहुत बैंक्स में भी इजीली अवेलेबल नहीं है, तो फिर डेफिनेटली मतलब ये बहुत ही अभी तो क्राइसिस है।
While 500 and 1000 rupee notes are not accepted at the cash counters, the donation drop box is another matter. At the Siddhivinayak Temple in Mumbai, temple authorities along with bank officials are counting the donations that they have received in the last 1 week. For the first time since demonetization of 1000 and 500 rupee notes was announced, bundles of 500 and 1000 rupee notes are being made, and all this money is going to be deposited in the bank. A day after the government turned to temples to bail banks out of a cash crunch, they are rising to the occasion.
We are also encouraging and impressing upon the places of religious worship which receive cash donations from devotees, most of it being in smaller denominations.
While the Sri Mata Vaishno Devi board in Jammu has already begun depositing donations received to banks daily, the board has also set up debit and credit card machines along with currency exchange counters at the temple premises.
तुरंत ही 70 POS मशीनें, जिनको पॉइंट ऑफ सेल मशीन्स, जो स्वाइप मशीन्स के नाम से जानी जाती हैं, जिनसे क्रेडिट कार्ड और डेबिट कार्ड से पेमेंट हो सकता है, उनने साइन बोर्ड के सभी एस्टैब्लिशमेंट्स पे लगवा दिए।
Shri Mata Vaishno Devi Shrine Board has set up special currency exchange counters for pilgrims around the Bhavan with the help of J&K banks, and points of sales machine are also being increased.
But while the government has promised that cash deposited in donation boxes won't come under tax scanner, strict vigil is also needed to ensure this leeway isn't misused by religious institutions. With Ravinder Singh in Jammu, in Mumbai, Ankita Sinha for NDTV.